Hey guys, hello and welcome back to your favorite channel, Women of Beauty India. This is me, your artist Farah Charanya, joining in. Now moving ahead to the next one. This is My Glam LIT Stick-On Wing Liner. So these are the wing liners. If you're a person who doesn't know to do wing liners, this is a go-to product. It's for rupees 395. So unless you are going to attend some grand function of your friend's wedding or your birthday or XYZ grand function, then definitely you can buy this and try it. So let's start with the obvious. Open the pack to remove the stick-on liner. I have removed it. Now they say next step is very tricky. From either a corner of the stick-on liner, gently peel away the backing sticker. This is how it comes. So it has a sticker behind. I'll have to gently peel off that sticker, and then, as we all know, okay, we won't come to it unless I remove this. So let's begin with this. So it is self-adhesive. You do not need any glue to attach, place it. Hello, please come out. Right, that's the point. Okay, so now we'll place this black side. For my eyes, I feel this is a bit smaller because you start from the inner corner. Otherwise, it is very comfortable. I'll just have to fill up this space. I don't think so. I can use it 3-4 times. One time also it's not working for me. Okay, I'll try to use a glue or something. That's my glue. I'm super happy with this one. I'm super sad with this one. I am applying the glue on it, and then I am wiping my fingers, of course, waiting for the glue to dry a bit so that it's sticky enough to stick it on my eyelid. So yeah. So that is how I have applied. So I think I need to apply. Okay, so I had applied a bit higher. If you apply it like this, it's cut to cut. Perfect. But you cannot use this 3 to 4 times at a go, what they are saying, without using a glue. Okay. So as you can see, I just peeled it off a little bit to put it in space. But with the lash glue, you are easy to go, good to go with it. So you can surely give this thing a shot. But only when you are going for some occasion. Okay, I know we are blessed with a good amount of money, but it's better to use your techniques apart from flaunting these styles. So we are done with the eyeliner application, sticker eyeliner application by MyGlam. Okay, my overall review on this would be with the presentation that it is giving, 5 on 5, with the promise that it is saying that you can use it for at least 3 to 4 times. I don't think so you can use it for 3 to 4 times unless you're using a lash glue. If you're using a lash glue, then you can, but you cannot use the sticky without the stickiness. Like, you know, you need that stickiness to get it glued to your skin. And like in my case here, I took a good time, so I could not put only. Here it was very well placed, but then I felt that this is right place and this was wrongly placed, so I removed that and again pressed back. It was not willing to stick again, so I had to use the lash glue to stick it. And is it value for money? Yes, it is value for money if you're going for some event, or if you want to flaunt your style, like in college you have an event, or in office you have an event or something. You can definitely take this as your easy go-to eyeliner look and flaunt it. And you can use a lash glue if you happen to find that it's not sticky. You can use a lash glue and then stick it on your skin. So that's it, guys. So a really interesting product to try. You must try this product, and you must buy this product and try this product. You will really love it. We'll be back soon with some interesting concepts. In the meanwhile, let me know in the comment section below what you think of this video, and if you want me to do something in specific, please let me know. I will be more than happy to do it. Thank you.